Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Cashflow. If you're having trouble accessing your Robinhood account, don't worry. I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to reactivate your Robinhood account quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app or head to their website. Log in using your credentials. If your account is deactivated or restricted, you might see a prompt to address any pending issues. These could include identity verification or funding requirements. If your account isn't automatically reactivated, don't worry. You can contact Robinhood's customer support for help. You can do it by following these steps. 1. Open the Robinhood app or visit the Robinhood website. Tap on the profile icon. Next, tap on the menu icon. Scroll down to find the Robinhood support section. Click on the Help Center option and search for your query. If you don't find the answer you're looking for, go back and tap on the Contact 24/7 option. From there, you can chat with the Robinhood support team for further assistance. Robinhood may ask you to submit updated personal or financial information. Make sure to complete all the steps they require. After completing the necessary steps, you should receive an email confirming your account's reactivation. Now, if your account was deactivated due to inactivity or other specific reasons, Robinhood may require additional steps. Be sure to carefully follow any instructions you receive from their support team. And that's it. Reactivating your Robinhood account can be straightforward as long as you follow these steps. Thanks for watching.